All right, so in this video, I have a collaboration between two companies, actually, Reebok and Adidas, to make one pair of sneakers that I'm excited to show you guys. Check out the difference in the box here too. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into this video. What is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, as well as if you want to buy a pair of these, check the link in the description, and happy shopping. I got too big of a size because this is all they had left, 10.5, and I did try them on, even though I'm swimming in them, but it was worth trying them on because I got to see if they're comfortable or not. This is the box, as you can see. It's a half Reebok, half Ultraboost box, which is kind of cool. This is the Instapump Fury Boost, and you could see this is actually inspired by a familiar colorway that we know, the Ultraboost 1.0 in the OG colorway, the first one that dropped. So kind of cool, a little nod to the OG joints right here. But this is an interesting one because you could see this is the Instapump, obviously Reebok pump. I'm gonna pump this up real quick. I haven't done this in a while. That's crazy. I forgot that feeling. I haven't pumped up a Reebok in a while, but these are dope. So you can see when it fills up the air, it comes all the way around and fills all the way through the shoe, and then, well, excuse me, yes, that was my release. Anyway, we have these Instapump Furies, and the boost stack on these are insane. Like, look at the size of the boost. These definitely remind you of those Adidas pods, or the Pod S 3.1 or whatever they were called. That has to be real carbon fiber for the price. These were $200. Crazy price point. This is more than the Ultraboost. I can literally drive like one of my kids' Hot Wheels through right here. I mean, there's such a huge gap right there. But they are comfortable on feet. I mean, there's no denying it. I'm a Boost fan through and through, so for me, like, Boost is awesome. The Instapump Fury is also just one of those cool looking models that I've always liked. I just didn't really own any. It's definitely one of those functional technologies from back in the day that I actually appreciate. It's kind of a bulky shoe, to be honest. It looks a little bit bulky on the upper, especially around this section here. Interesting little band around the shoe as well. Not really sure why they did that. Doesn't really make the shoe better, in my opinion. Maybe I'll go like this and wear it as like a toe band or something like this. Is that better? I don't know what you're supposed to do with that. If somebody tell me. So I really didn't realize that you could take this off, which this feels much better like this. Like, it looks better without the band. So definitely don't need the band on. Yeah, but I think this is a dope collaboration, man. Reebok is obviously owned by Adidas, so the fact that they collaborated on a model is dope. Like, it's something that you just makes you kind of wonder what else are they going to be able to collaborate on. And in fact, if you have suggestions for Reebok or Adidas, leave a comment. What hybrid Reebok Adidas model would you like to see? And what technologies would you guys like involved with that? I wonder if like a ZigTech Ultraboost would be something that we could see. That would be probably something pretty fresh. In fact, the new ZigTech stuff looks amazing, and I have a pair of those coming pretty soon that I can't wait to do a video on. But yeah, I think Reebok's been doing a lot of crazy things this last year. It's been a really good year for Reebok. It kind of reminded me of what Puma did last year. Like, that's the energy that Reebok brought this year. So it'll be interesting to see what happens next year. But you can see on the back, it does say Pump X Boost. It's like the nostalgic pump brought together with modern times of the Boost. The overall shoe is pretty interesting. You have a black toe guard here. You have some mesh type material here. Almost a neoprene type material encasing that pump section, but it's not stretchy at all or anything like that. Then you have a pretty beefy tongue here as well. Confidential on the tongue on the side right there, but it's a beefy tongue. Also some good size padding along the heel section, and some reinforcement on the heel cup back here. I mean, look at the size of this Boost. This is like redonkulous. Look at the size of this. Maybe that'll be my thumbnail like that. Look at this size difference. And then on the outsole, you have some nice traction on the outsole, not Continental rubber like Ultraboost or anything like that, but it is a really thick rubber outsole. It does say Reebok there. And then you have a huge gap right here with the carbon fiber. You also do get this little thing that says Boost and then Pump on the other side. Cool collaboration though. Leave a comment, let me know what you guys think. Is it something you guys picked up or not? I actually got this pair from the Black Friday sale. It was really, really cheap. It was $100. It was 50% off. So I was like, I gotta try to buy a pair. I tweeted it out to you guys. Hopefully you guys caught for those that were interested. But yeah, man, $200 retail. If you're interested in buying a pair, check the link in the description. I'll also link eBay if you guys are trying to get them for under retail if they have them around. But that's the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about the collaboration between Adidas and Reebok here. And again, leave the suggestions of other things that you guys would like to see Reebok and Adidas collaborate on. It would be interesting to see. I mean, a lot of these shoes have a lot of heritage and a long lineage of different sneakers, so it'd be kind of fun if they just did another mashup. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of the day, and we will see you guys for some more sneaker videos very soon. Peace, guys.